ladies and gentlemen, it's me, Andre B. I'm here with the Etna Coffee and Tea Company, and today we are making, guess what we're making? We're making popsicles. It's too hot outside. So what we're gonna do, we brew up some coffee, and then we're gonna make some popsicles out of them. We're gonna have some coffee sickles. We'll show you this neat little trick to, come up with a different use for your coffee. All right. So we're gonna be using oat milk and got the new coffee in. If you're interested in getting the bag, just go down to the link below and click the link below. If you really need to talk to me about something wholesale, please do contact me. Get on me at my messenger and I will get back to you. So we're brewing up private label here. Brewing up some of that. It's gonna be a breakfast blend. Gonna make some popsicles. All right, hey, have some fun. We'll put some cream in the popsicles and everything. All right, so I already got the coffee put together and brewed and everything. And go grab you some coffee popsicle molds. These popsicle molds I got come with their own stick. It came with their own little stick. Stick in there. So make popsicles, brewed some coffee. Brewed the coffee already. For you're going to just add your coffee. See, I added the coffee. Okay. Now, this is private label coffee that's being made and used for these popsicles. These is gonna be some really tasty popsicles. So you can go ahead and use your imagination as far as additives and everything. But what I'm gonna use, I'm using some oat milk. Now I had the oat milk getting a little bit colder because I want it to be swirling in the coffee, and then we're gonna make some swirling coffee bars. So make sure. Yep. Just gonna add. Try to do this without. Actually, I want you to see it. Just see what I'm doing. Bring everything a little bit closer. So we're gonna add the oat milk. See, I added the oat milk to it. Now, we're gonna cover the popsicles so that the stick can stay in place. And even at this point, if you got some kind of syrup that you want to add, you can just swirl some syrup in there and freeze your bar, and you should have a bar with your type of syrups of whatever you like. But make sure you get the private blend coffee. Down in the comments below is the link. Click on that link. we're gonna have the coffee right out to you. Right. So my popsicle holder snapped in. I'm gonna put this in the freezer and we'll be right back and show you how it looks. We here. I am about to show you the coffee popsicles. Let me grab them out the freezer. We're gonna take it from the top. It's hot outside. We need some cool popsicles. Popsicles. So here's the coffee popsicles. Let me get them on. I'm kind of vibing. I'm thinking I'm gonna take the lid off right here. See if the lid come off. Nope, can't get it off. Cracked it. I'm Andre B. Down in the comments is the link. We made some coffee sickles. I made some coffee sickles. They made out of oat milk and my private blend coffee. In the comments, you will see the link. Order some coffee. Help with eating disorders. Order some coffee. Help with eating disorders. So it's hot outside, and you always want to have something to cool you off. You know, for us and a lot of coffee lovers, gotta have it. So here's the flavor of coffee with some oat milk creamer in it. That's vanilla flavored. And so the coffee sickles are probably gonna be vanilla coffee tasting, you know. Tastes pretty good. Like I said, get you some private blend. Down in the comments, order this, or send me a message and we'll directly ship it to you. Either one. Touch base. All right, so y'all ready? Take this off. Take off the cap. Took off the cap. It came with its own sticks. So let's see. That's how they look. It came out. That's how they look. Coffee sickle. Trying to make them break loose. Coffee sickles, they're not coming out yet, but I'm about to get them out. Just hang tight. Let me get it out so we can see how it look. Let me run under some more hot water. All right. Got the coffee sickle. Oops. Smiley face coffee sickles. So they come. My particular coffee sickles that I made, the container came with its own sticks. So it's just really easy to do. And like I mentioned, as you're making your coffee sickles, you can drizzle some cream or some syrup or whatever you like inside of it, chocolate syrup or something, and freeze them. Coffee sickles. Let me see what it tastes like. Have to bite into it. Yum. Yeah, no. Coffee sickles. I'm gonna put it back in the freezer for later. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Private label coffee available. Cheers. Thank you for watching and your support. God bless.